Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the tri-ring on your dryer model. This ring holds the rollers of the dryer together, which allows the drum to spin. You may need to replace these if one of them is broken or missing. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16 nut driver, a putty knife, and a flathead screwdriver. Before doing any repair, please disconnect your appliance from its power source. In order for us to do our repair, we're going to have to gain access to the inside of the dryer. So we're going to begin our repair by removing the lint screen. Next, we're going to remove the two screws that are holding the dryer vent to the top of the dryer panel. Next, using a putty knife, lift up on the two tabs that are holding the top panel to the inside of the dryer. And lift the top part of the dryer and leave it open. So using a thin flathead screwdriver, we're going to lift up on the tabs of the wire harness and we're going to disconnect it. Using a 5/16 nut driver, we're going to take out the two screws that are holding the top of the front panel to the inside frame of the dryer. While you're unscrewing the screw, make sure you hold on to the front panel of the dryer because it will lean forward. So we're going to push the dryer drum back and we're going to lift up on the front panel. And we're going to take the front panel of the dryer and move it out of the way. In order for us to access the motor pulley, we're going to have to lift up on the dryer drum and push the idler pulley forward. And we're going to slide the belt off of the idler pulley. Next, we're going to lift up on the belt and lift the drum out of the dryer. So our tri-ring is supposed to be located right here, but ours has fallen off. So we're going to take our new OEM replacement tri-ring. If you don't have one of these already, you can find one on our online store. And all we're going to do is just slide the ring until it's locked in position on this rod. And we see that it's holding the wheel secure. Now if you just want to replace an old tri-ring, all you have to do is just lift up one side of the tri-ring over this axle and it should come right out. So next we're going to set our drum back into the dryer. But before we do that, we're going to make sure that our idler pulley is going to be somewhat into position before we set that drum into the dryer. So next we're going to replace the tub back inside of the dryer and we're going to make sure that this metal clip is facing upward. Next we're going to take the belt and pull it over top of the idler pulley. And then we're going to take the belt and place it over the motor pulley. So next we're going to take the front panel of the dryer and slide it back into position. After the front panel has been reattached, screw in the front panel to the inside of the dryer. Next we're going to reconnect the wire harness. Then we're going to close the top of the dryer. After that, we're going to replace both those screws we took out of the dryer vent. And once you replace the dryer lint screen, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need any of the parts we mentioned in this video, you can find the specific replacement on our website using your part number or your model number. Thanks for watching our video. Your support is what allows us to keep creating this free content for you to enjoy. Please like, comment, or share, and if you really liked our video, please subscribe down below.